This is a math cast created by myself, Crystal Kronk, for my JCC class, Mathematical Reasoning, with Mrs. O'Brien. The creation date is today, November 27th, 2016, and the audience is 6th grade, and the objective is a volume of a right rectangular prism, which, I mean, could be, we know that, you already should already know that squares and rectangles are classified as in the same category, so it could be a cube, it could be a box, and it's let's see, it's module 5, topic C for Engaged New York. So I just first wanted to finding the volume of a right rectangular prism. This is, sorry for the mess, but it's my box, I guess. So this is what we're looking to find the volume of, and then just identifying the parts of the right rectangular prism. So what I've labeled the L here on the bottom is the length, and over here to this side right here where the W is, that's the width, and then this here is the height of the box. And just the formula for the volume of a right rectangular prism, you should already have a formula sheet, or you should already know it. The volume for a box or something like that is length times width times height, and yes, you can change it around. You don't necessarily have to put height first, you can put width first, or vice versa. And so just an example now. I do want to say that when you're doing volume, it's always in cubed units. So like I used centimeters cubed, or you can use feet cubed, etc., etc. So I just picked some numbers. I picked a height of 6, a length of 5, and a width of 4. And so now I plugged it into the formula. So I have 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 times 6 is 120 cubed centimeters. And I mean, you can use any other numbers. You can use, you can use 7, and you can use 9 if you have your height is 7 and your width of 9 and your length of 15. If you wanted to choose that size box. So 7 times 9 is 63, and then times 15. So if I come over here to the side, 63 and 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. We're going to leave the 5. We're going to carry the 1. And 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1 is 31. We're going to put our placeholder. 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 6 is 6. We're going to put a line here. We're going to add these together. 5 plus nothing is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 3 plus 6 is 9. If you want to just check yourself, you can use a calculator. So that would give us a volume of 945. Oops, sorry. I'm going to say feet cubed because I was thinking about a dumpster when I did this. So if you wanted a dumpster that was 7 by 9 feet by 15 feet, you would have a volume of 945 cubic feet to fill. And once again, it was created by myself, Crystal Kronk. The materials I used our textbook by Sylvia Beckman, the 4th edition. And I used Engage New York, Module 5, Topic C for grade 6. And I also used some of the notes that we had taken while we were reading Chapter 13 and 14. So if you would like to have some information, you can go back into the textbook I used, which was Mathematics for Elementary Teachers. I have the one with activities by Pearson, by Sylvia Beckman, 4th edition. Thank you. Have a nice day.